Hey there, Tad Hargrave from marketingforhippies.com, and just recording this video in my backyard about the difference between confidence and competence. So many people come to my workshops, and one of the things they express is they feel like what they're struggling with is a lack of self-confidence. They don't believe in themselves. You know, they're just scared to really take a big, bold next step in their business. And so they feel like, well, maybe what they need is just more inner work, is the way I hear it get talked about a lot. If I just did my inner work, then I could, then I'd really be able to take it to the next level. So let me offer something that may save you years of therapy. Whenever you're scared, one way to understand it is that it's not a lack of confidence, it's a lack of competence. Meaning you don't know how to do something. There's something that's a little outside of your skill set. So often I see when people, I'm terrified of public speaking, sometimes they just don't know how to do it. I've talked to so many people who are like, God, I'm just terrified of networking, because the way they're thinking about networking is a terrible approach. They think networking means going up to people, pitching them for 30 seconds, giving them a business card and walking away. Rather than setting up a networking event as number one, you don't go to a networking event looking for clients, you're looking for hubs, you're looking for people who might actually be able to connect you with other people. And number two, you don't go alone, you go with a friend, and then you network for their business and they network for yours. So it's a simple example, but when I share this with people, I can just see them visibly relax, and they think, oh, I could do that, right? I was talking with a rabbi, had a call with him, and he was struggling with the marketing because he just created an online course, and he's like, I speak to all these synagogues, but he felt very awkward about pitching his stuff at the end. But understandably, you're a rabbi, you're standing on stage, pitching a home study course. They said, but you don't pitch it. It's whoever's hosting you, they pitch it. You ask them to mention it at the end. And all of a sudden he's like, of course, they would love to do that. They'd love to help me in this way. So all of a sudden it went from something he was scared to do that he was okay to doing it. But it wasn't as if he did a bunch of personal growth. He just found a way to do it that felt better. So I see this again and again. People come to me thinking it's about self-worth, thinking they need to do some more meditation, go to another personal growth course, get right with themselves, and sometimes there's that. But so often I see it's not confidence, it's competence. They're not lacking believing in themselves, they're lacking a certain skillfulness or understanding about a way to do it that would genuinely feel good for them, which is why the whole thing in my business is that marketing can feel good. There is a way to do it that can feel good. It doesn't have to feel terrible, which it often feels. So that's the setup. We get given a way to market or sell our services that inherently is shitty and manipulative and pushy and aggressive. And what we're told is, if you can't make this work, or if you're scared to do it, that must be a sign you don't believe in yourself. It's a lack of self-worth. Something is wrong with you. You're the problem. It's not the approach. You're the problem. And it's not you. It's just that approach is inherently going to cause stress in you and the people who are receiving it. It's going to feel bad for them. It'll feel bad for you. But if you just find another way to do it, it could feel better for everybody. So it's not a lack of confidence always. It's often a lack of competence. If there's something that you feel intimidated about doing or scared to do, and it's been on your list to do for a long time, and you're telling yourself the story that I just don't believe in myself enough, consider that it might just be you need to learn something. And that can be handled, I swear to God, in like 5 minutes. Just by you go on Facebook and you say, hey everyone, I've got this goal, let's say create a website or create a webinar or something, and I just noticed it's been on my list to do and I haven't started on it and I'm kind of overwhelmed. Could anyone help me? Could somebody meet me for coffee to just walk me through the process? Because I realize I don't even know where to start. And then you meet with somebody and they just give you some of the know-how because they've done it before. Incredible. So it's not always a lack of confidence. Sometimes and often it's a lack of competence.